In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Advap132.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to know the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Then simply take note of your system type, okay? And then open a browser. It could any be or it could be any of the browser that you have on your Windows. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type the DLL missing and then type download. Hit enter. Click on it for the first result. Scroll down and then you have to click the download link that is corresponding to the system type. So click on the first one. So we have here 64-bit. And once downloaded, click on the folder icon. And then right click on the folder, select extract all. Click on extract. And then copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. And then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, and then scroll down to the S section. If you are a 64-bit Windows according to your system type, go to System 32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW 64. So we are 64-bit, so we need to go to System 32. Right-click and then select Paste and click on Replace the file in the destination. And after doing so, you need to restart your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click the button right here to check for all the available updates for your Windows. And once you're updated, then good. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.